you check the oscilloscope. First you switch on that, switch on the power supply, then you can see that there is a switch on this is a digital oscilloscope. You can switch on it, then you just wait for some time. After that you press any key in that. It will come. This is a channel number and channel number 2. Both the reference line is coming here. Then you can see here that 2 knobs are there. There is a positioning. Therefore both the channels are on. If you want to make one of the channel off, then this is an F2. Whenever you press F2, you see here the corresponding channel number is coming. Therefore, if you want to make, see here, this is channel number 1 and channel number 2. If you want to make any one the channel number activated, you press it here, your channel number 1 is coming. If you want to make it off, with the F2 you can make it off and on. Therefore, now both the channels are off. You can see both the channels are off. Now if I want to make it on, again I activate the channel number 1. I just make it channel number, make it here, press it F2, it is becoming on. Therefore, now I am pressing the channel number 2. You can see channel number 2 is activated. If I want to make it on, I should F2. I just press F2. It will be both the channels are on. Now let me check this. The probes. This is a very important thing, that the probes you have to check. Everything functioning correctly or not. You have to check it. First you connect the probe to the channel number 1. And that you see that there is a red wires. You just connect to that projections. In the upper projections, you should get a square waveform. You can look at that. You are getting a square waveform, and that you can see this is a you can, with this horizontally you can make it bigger. It's a perfectly square waveform. Therefore, channel number 1 is working it properly. Perfectly it is working. Then channel number 2. Channel number 2 also will see that the red one you should connect here with these projections. You should get it square waveform. You can see that yellow representing the channel number 2 and the red one representing the channel number 1. Therefore, both the channels are perfect. That oscilloscope and the ear probes are perfect. Now I am checking the functional generator, because functional generator will provide this. Then you connect the functional generator. This probe you connect it here. You probe it, connect it. Then you have to check that your functional generator is providing perfect sinusoidal waveform. That functional generator, you should take care of that. This is the frequency. This is giving the frequency, and that because we want 50 Hz, approximately 50 Hz frequency, and that just you press 200. We do not want more than 200 Hertz frequency. Therefore, only one this is to be pressed. And here in this side, you see that sinusoidal waveform is pressed. Therefore, only these 2 knobs will be pressed here. No other knob should be pressed. After that, you just check it that it is providing proper sinusoidal waveforms or not. You just connect any of the channel. You connect any of the channel directly to the functional generators. Functional. You connect it properly. Functional generators. Probes you connect to the oscilloscope probe directly. That means the red you can connect to the red, and the black you can connect to the red. Directly I am connected to the functional generators or oscilloscopes. Therefore, you should get a sinusoidal waveform. Here you see that sinusoidal waveform is not properly not coming. What you can do, that you can adjust it so that properly you can get the sinusoidal waveform. Now you can see here these 2 knobs. The channel number, this will be vertically, it will be changing. The waveforms will be changing vertically, volt versus divisions. It will change. Vertical scaling will be changing. It is a time divisions that will be horizontally, it will be changing.